Have you ever wanted to buy something online but didn't want to use your credit card or share your bank details? Maybe you don't even have a bank account. Well, what if I told you there's a way to pay for things on the internet using cash, as if you were in a physical store? That's exactly what PaysafeCard is all about. So, what is PaysafeCard? Think of it as a prepaid voucher for the digital world. It's a payment method that allows you to make secure online purchases without ever having to enter personal or financial information. This is a game changer for anyone who values their privacy or simply wants to control their spending. Now, how does it work? It's incredibly simple. First, you buy a PaysafeCard voucher from a physical sales outlet, like a supermarket, a gas station, or a newsstand. You can also buy them from authorized online distributors. The voucher comes with a unique 16-digit PIN code and has a fixed value, such as $10, $25, or $50 or euros. When you're ready to make a purchase on a website that accepts PaysafeCard, and there are thousands of them, especially for gaming, entertainment, and online services, you simply select PaysafeCard as your payment method at checkout. You'll then be prompted to enter that 16-digit PIN. The amount of your purchase is instantly deducted from the voucher's balance. You can use the same code multiple times until the full balance is gone. If a purchase costs more than the value of one card, you can even combine up to 10 PINs to cover the total. For a more streamlined experience, you can create a My PaysafeCard account. This allows you to manage all your PINs in one place, so you don't have to worry about keeping track of multiple vouchers. It also lets you pay with just a username and password, which is much faster. The biggest advantages of PaysafeCard are its security and anonymity. Since you're not sharing any personal data or bank information, you're protected from fraud and identity theft. It's also a fantastic tool for managing your budget because you can only spend the amount you've loaded onto the card. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.